This is Repo-Verse on MyGadgets. Point it at a project folder and your codebase becomes a 3D solar system you can fly through. Open folder reads a directory off your disk. Archive takes a zip, and demo project loads a sample right now. There is the whole project in orbit. Big files are big planets, so the heavy parts of a codebase stand out instantly. Drag to orbit, scroll to zoom, and auto-rotate keeps it turning on its own. The graph view drops the orbits and lays the project out as a force-directed import graph instead. Stats view turns the same data into a dashboard. Sizes, languages, the largest files and the deepest folders. Back to the solar system. The file tree beside the stage is the keyboard-friendly way in, with a filter box at the top. Type a name and the tree narrows as you go. Picking a file opens it in the inspector. The Git tab time warps the project through your commit history, and export saves the map as data or markdown. And the stats tab counts it all up. Files, folders, total bytes and the language split for the project you loaded. That is the whole workflow. MyGadgets has over 100 free tools like this one, with no sign up, no watermarks and no size limits.